Hi, it's Heidi with Nest Pretty. Nest Pretty is all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. And the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide talks all about what Nest Pretty is. And I just want to share just a little brief thought from chapter 11, and it talks about making decisions and how to own your decisions and not settle on your decisions. And I'm in my closet talking about that for a reason, because I haven't decided on my 10-piece wardrobe. And the 10-piece wardrobe for me has been such a game changer. And it really illustrates how making a decision once makes 3 months of decisions so easy. When it comes to curating this 10-piece wardrobe, I'm just taking my time. And I do have the luxury to do that still, because the weather hasn't entirely turned here in Florida yet. It is starting to get cooler just a little bit, but it's still 70, 80 degrees in the afternoon, so I don't feel like there's tons of pressure. But I really want to do a good job on this decision, because then I'm going to live with the decision for 3 months. And also, my thoughts are, don't settle. Like, don't be in a rush to fill your closet with mistakes, with clothes that you don't love, that don't fit, or that don't fit in with the rest of your wardrobe. So I'm just taking my good old sweet time to curate this 10-piece wardrobe. This will be my 4th and final 10-piece wardrobe. So I'm really excited about it and just taking my good old sweet time. Meanwhile, I have 2 dresses that I've been wearing back and forth, and it's been working out great for me. It's actually inspiring me a little further. Let's not go crazy, but a 2-piece wardrobe. We will see. One other thing was, last week I spent a lot of time talking about my Zappos situation and finding the perfect boot. Part of the mentality behind trying on all of those shoes was I wanted to be sure that my shoe size hadn't changed, because it's been a year, 2 years or so of not wearing, some shoes. So I just wanted to be sure I'm still the same size and still comfort level, all of that, because I had been shopping on eBay just a little bit to find a beautiful pair of boots, and I just wanted to be sure I was the right size. So let me just show you the big reveal of the fantastic, beautiful boots I got on eBay. Gorgeous. Now my closet smells like leather, and the boot situation is finished, and I'm so thrilled. So that means I can now travel to the north in cold weather, or cool weather, or fall weather, and be properly dressed. So I'm excited about that. That's all I have to report. That's it. You can go to my bio and see all the ways that we could work together, and all the ways that we can connect as well. Also, all the ways that you can get the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide. I just released it in hardback, and I love it. I'm so excited. I hope you have a fantastic evening, and thank you for joining me, and we'll talk soon. Bye.